Get your toy. Go. Get your toy. Get your toy. Go. Get your toy.
It would be the faster boat, and they couldn't control it as quickly. Because you can imagine, this horse is going there. In fact, we've got some photos to show you. One shows you the wife. What's happening now is he's closing the gates. When those gates are closed, and they're slowly closing now, he'll open the sluices in the gates behind me. The sluices are the gates that are underwater. You can't see them, but they'll open, and that will allow the water from the canal to come in, and the boat will rise slowly. Oh, yes. I will explain that in a moment. Coach, you're talking an hour, maybe even 50 minutes. If you take this boat or any other boat, stuff up and down, deliveries and things. When those that started from the